Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set up your MTN 4G premium router. My name is Richard N and this is Fast Giddy. In Fast Giddy we help you learn how to do things easily as far as IT is concerned. And today we just received our 4G router from MTN and I'm going to unlock it, unbox it, and then show you what you stand to get if you're going to activate yours. So this is the box and I'm going to start opening it. So from the start, we're going to unfold it. This is going to be our router. This is our 4G router. This is our 4G router. You can see it. It's not been set up before and everything. And when we open to the second fold, we can get our Cat6 cable. This one is going to connect our router to the laptop. You can see it has two terminals. This is the end and then this is the other side. And then also we have the charger. This is the charger that connects from your wall to your router. And after that we have the base. This is the base that helps your router stand wherever you position it. And also your MTN premium router does come with a backup power. This is the MTN backup power. This is like the power bank, and it can keep your router running for at least 4 hours if you charge it if you charge it completely full. So after the power bank, we also have this is the two antennas that make sure your network is stable. And then you have our SIM card. This is a SIM card. Whenever you buy your router, you're going to get a brand new SIM card registered for the router. And then that is all we have here. These ones are just for formalities. This one is the manual that directs you on how to handle and how to configure your router and all of that. So we have seen all the content from the box, and the next thing I want to do is to show you how to fix it up completely. Okay. Now that we've seen the content from the box as supplied to us by MTN, I'm going to connect everything here to the point where this router becomes active and ready to serve our internet needs. So the first thing I want to do here is I'm going to remove the SIM card from the panel, and I'm going to insert it into the back of the router. So when you get the SIM card, you need to insert it in. And you make sure that the click sound comes on, because if the click sound doesn't come on, then that means the SIM card is not activated, and you want to position it properly. If that sound doesn't come up, then you know you've not done it correctly. So you want to position it correctly like this, and then you insert. Once the sound comes on, you set it aside. The next thing I want to do is I want to put in the base. Now the base is something you just punch in and it stays. Okay, I've done that. So you can see the router can now stand. Okay, now it's standing. The next thing I want to do is I want to fix on the antennas. This is the antenna that connects us to the internet, or make sure that our network is stable. Okay, that is the antenna. I've fixed both of them. Okay, now it stays like this, so you need to push it up and make sure it's pointing up. It should always point up. Now I'm done with that. Then the next is our power bank. This power bank should be connected to the back of the router, so it should be like this. Okay. Now, peradventure you don't want to use the power bank, you can also connect your router directly from the charger to the power source. So this one can go to the power source, while this one comes to your router. But because you want to be charging while you're using it, you want to connect the power bank directly to the router, and then you can connect your power bank to the charger, so that as you're using from the power bank, it will be recharging from the power source. And then because you bought this fresh, you can't really be able to use it with your Wi-Fi and all of that just yet. So what you want to do first of all is you want to connect your Cat6 cable or your RJ45. You want to plug it into the router, and then this other end will go to your device, maybe your laptop, maybe your desktop, and all of that. And once you do this like this, I'm going to guarantee you that you are going to get and receive a stable internet connection for as much as you want. Now, there are so many benefits for which people want to use this internet and for other stuff, but I'm going to discuss this in another video where I will teach you how to set it up by going to the interface of the router to where you can be able to set up your your Wi-Fi's, the password, the allowed network, the allowed devices into your network and all of that. So even if you want to recharge it, I'll also teach you how to recharge it using the interface. So that is just how it's going to be. So for now, I am going to stop here so that in the next video, I'll be able to set up the interface for you and then you can see how to connect to the other devices. And so if you are still interested in this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you follow us, because we're going to be revealing a lot of more interesting things about MTN and other networks in Nigeria, and how you can get the best out of them. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends to help them get more updates. Thank you. Bye-bye.